In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Today we will reset Zentality tablet. Here you can see that I am trying some patterns to open up the tablet lock, but these are not matching with the passwords. First of all, step 0, shut down your device. Next step is very simple. Press power button and lower volume button simultaneously for a few moments. Press both buttons again and you will see the same options. Select the option wipe data or factory reset. After all, you have to confirm that you want to delete all the user data on your device. It will confirm then that after that you will wipe all the data. You can see the notifications from the device. Now it's formatting and wiping your data. The device has been reset. It's restarting for the fresh lock. Okay friends, it has been reset, or now you can see that it's welcome note for you, and now you can see that all the data has been wiped out, and these are the by default apps which are showing on the desktop.